Let me ask you something. Do you want to improve your English, but you don't have anyone to practice with?
Maybe you're studying alone at home. No teacher. No partner. No English-speaking friends.
And sometimes it feels lonely or difficult, right?
But here's the good news. You can improve your English alone.
Yes! And today, we're going to show you how to learn English alone at home, step by step.
Welcome to Clear Voice English. Many learners think they must join a class to improve English.
But actually, learning alone has many advantages.
When you learn alone, you can speak freely.
You don't feel shy. You don't worry about mistakes.
And you can practice at your own pace.
Exactly. You can repeat sentences, pause videos, and practice as much as you want.
That's something you can't always do in a classroom.
So learning alone isn't a weakness.
It's actually a strength.
One of the best ways to learn English alone is shadowing.
What is shadowing?
Shadowing means you listen and repeat immediately.
Like this?
Yes! Let's try. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
Good! Again! I speak slowly, but I am improving.
I speak slowly, but I am improving.
Perfect!
Shadowing helps you improve pronunciation, fluency, confidence.
And also listening skills.
Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Many learners make one big mistake.
They try to study for hours.
And then they feel tired and stop learning.
Instead, start small.
Practice for 5 to 10 minutes every day.
That's enough to build a strong habit.
Consistency is more important than intensity.
Small steps, every day, create big progress.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
When you make mistakes, you are learning.
Say this with us. Mistakes help me improve.
Again,
Mistakes help me improve. This positive mindset builds confidence.
Another tip, create a comfortable learning space.
A quiet room, a cup of tea, relaxed atmosphere.
When you feel comfortable, you learn better.
Also, remove distractions.
Put your phone away.
Set a simple goal. Today I will practice English for 5 minutes.
Small goals help you stay focused.
Sometimes learning alone feels lonely,
But remember, millions of learners are studying English right now.
and you're not alone.
Also, learning alone builds independence.
You become more confident.
And you trust yourself more? Try using positive self-talk.
Say, I am learning.
I am improving.
I follow my own learning path.
These simple sentences build motivation.
Let's review today's lesson.
Practice alone, use shadowing, start small, accept mistakes, stay positive.
And most importantly, practice every day.
Now tell us, how do you practice English at home?
Comment below and share your experience.
And don't forget to,
Like, comment, and subscribe to Clear Voice English.
you don't just learn English.
Because here you speak with confidence.